आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states, a group of 30 employees of Cadre A has a mean age of 27. A different group of 70 employees of Cadre B has a mean age of 23. What is the mean age of the employee of the two groups together? Now, if we know guys, mean or average, it's the same thing, right? So mean or average is equals to sum of the values divided by number of values. So mean or average is sum of the values by number of values. And we have been asked to find the average or the mean age of the employees of the two groups together. So we have individual data, we need to find the data what it is together. Now, a group of 30 employees of Cadre A has a mean age of 27. For 30 employees, the mean age is 27. So let me first calculate for Cadre A. So let me write Cadre A, right? So for Cadre A, I can see that the 30 employees have a mean age of 27. So the mean or average value is 27, which is equals to sum of A upon number of values in A. So here we have 30 employees, so it's going to be 30, right? So if I have to find the sum of A, I'm going to multiply both sides by 30. So this becomes 27 into 30 because we are multiplying both sides by 30, which is equals to sum of A. Now notice guys, this 30 in the denominator is going to be cancelled out because we are multiplying both sides by 30. So sum of A is nothing but 27 into 30. Similarly, if I'm going to calculate for Cadre B, right? So if I calculate for Cadre B, it's going to be, now here the mean age is 23, right? So the mean age is 23 and 23 is equals to sum of B divided by, so the number of people in Cadre B is 70, so 70. Similarly, if I multiply both sides by 70, yes, so we multiply both sides by 70. So I can say that 23 into 70 is equals to, now this 70 in the denominator gets cancelled out and what remains is sum of B. So I can simply say that sum of B is equals to 23 into 70 and sum of A is equals to 27 into 30. Now the question says, what is the mean age of the employees of the two groups together? So let me find out for the two groups together. So I'm going to call it mean AB. So mean of AB is equals to sum of A and B together, right? So sum of A and B together is nothing but sum of A plus sum of B, right? Because according to the mean or average formula, we have mean or average equals to sum of the values upon number of values. So the sum is total of A and B, that is sum of A plus sum of B, right? Sum of B. And it is going to be divided by number of total values. So what is the total number of values? Now here it says group of 30 employees of Cadre A, 70 employees of Cadre B. So it's going to be 30 plus 70. Now if I put all the values that I have obtained so far, I have sum of A is 27 into 30, 27 into 30 plus sum of B as 23 into 70, so 23 into 70 divided by 30 plus 70 is 100, right? 100. So 27 into 30 is equals to 810 plus 23 into 70 is equals to 1610, and this is divided by 100, right? So this is going to be 810 plus 1610, so the sum is 2000. So this is equals to 2420 divided by 100, and this 0 and this 0 cancels out, the two zeros cancels out, and what remains is 242 divided by 10, which is equals to 24.2. So it remains is 24.2. So if we compare with the options, we see that this matches with option B. So the answer matches with option B. So we say that the correct answer to this particular question is option B, which is 24.2. Or the mean age of the employees of the two groups, that is Cadre A and Cadre B. So the question as stated, so 30 employees of Cadre A has a mean age of 27, and for Cadre B, 70 employees have a mean age of 23. In that case, the mean age of the two groups together is 24.2, which is option B. And we obtained the answer in this way. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।